Okay. My backpack. My backpack is taking my backpack. Hey, my backpack, Tresco. The guy just take my backpack. He just went with my backpack. How am I going to get my backpack? He left. How am I going to get my backpack?
Hey, back.
That is going to be a good...
You are a negro.
How do you know?
Cause your skin.
Oh, because of my skin.
Yes.
Nigerian, yeah.
Me?
Yes?
Are you Nigeria?
No, I'm Filipino.
This is what they used to break. This is what they used to break. This is a weapon. Can I get one more? For free? Eh?
Okay.
Oh, I'm just gonna make sure that I go to have more food. But today it's been raining here in Legazpi. You can see there is some flooding. Let me show you before I go for food. Be cool, Filipino, you? Good people? So kids just enjoying this. And you can still see the famous jeepney going around here. Look. But I'm gonna go here and I just rush there. Look at this place here. Look how flooding it is here. Oh, that is a Philly. Look at this place here. And it's flooding here. I think these people are selling Philly nuts. I wanna go see. I love Philly nuts. I like going to people's. Hello, Philly nut? Oh yeah. Are you breaking it? You break?
What?
You break?
Yeah. Did you fry?
Is it fried?
Fry, eat.
It's expensive. For free.
Just
So
wait.
this is the Philly nut. If you are in Albay area, oh, I have one at home. I couldn't break it. That's really amazing.
More over there.
Oh, that's Philly nut. I bought. I have a home, but I don't know how to break it. Very hard.
Oh, very hard.
I have in a hotel. I can't break. It's very hard.
You don't have that with finisher, with gel,
Well, how you break it? Hammer?
like this.
Man, that is remind.
You use this.
Ah, this is what. This is what they used to break. This is what they used to break. This is a weapon. And you do this and you hit. They using this to break this Philly nut. And they have the nut at home, but using this, oh my god, this is a weapon. Wow, that's really amazing. Can I get one more? For free? Eh?
Okay.
No, that's a lot.
Okay.
Yeah? They just give me this for free. And you know, Philly nut is expensive here.
You speak Tagalog?
No? Do you?
Where you from?
I'm from Texas. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Albay? Albay?
Albay.
This is so amazing. So, when I go back to America, the first things I will buy if I'm here is the Philly nut. Philly nut, the Philly nut.
Pili lang.
Philly nut.
Alam mo, pili ng hindi.
And only in Albay, right? Only.
Albay.
They're so delicious, but I'm gonna save some. I'm gonna save some here. I'm not going to eat everything. Now the guy was showing me he's using a very heavy weapon to do that. Yeah, I'm from Texas. Very hot. Look at those guys are having a ride today. Lechon?
Ordinary meat. Ordinary meat.
Ah.
Mauna na. Oh, here.
Fish here?
No fish. No fish.
Where fish?
Upstairs.
How much is 1 kilo?
160, sir. They okay na
They know
hindi
they're gonna be cooked, that's why they're afraid. They're afraid, they're shy.
No?
This guy here, they have no story where they're going. They have no story.
No, sir.
Be called Filipino, you? Good people?
Friendly ang Bicolana. Friendly people, Bicolana.
One just jump back.
Agad dapat agad tulad sa lagi
That's gonna go.
Kaya po na, sir. Amerikano. Sobrang pera ito. Tayo, sobrang pera ito. Ha? 96 ko daw.
Expensive. 30 pesos, no?
Yes, expensive, yes. Mais, how much?
Mais, 1 piece, 20 peso. Humor? Masarap to?
Masarap.
Akin na.
Yes, sir.
Water,
Water,
how much?
15 pesos.
You, boss? You, boss? Alaya or boss?
That's the boss?
Yeah. Oh, the boss. Mama?
Yes, mother.
It's hot here.
Too hot here.
Bombay. Hindi yan Bombay.
Who is Mumbai?
Hindi naman na Bombay.
Injan.
Mumbai?
That's Filipino.
Here, po.
Four? Four bottle.
Yeah. That's one, two, three.
Ano naman ang bigas, ha? Ha?
Pag-isal.
Assalamualaikum. Okay. My backpack. My backpack is taking my backpack. Hey, my backpack, Tresco. The guy just take my backpack. He just went with my backpack. How am I going to get my backpack? He left.
You are a negro.
How do you know?
Who's your skin?
Oh, because of my skin.
Yes. At least you are a Negro.
Oh, you are Negro too, right?
No? No.
Why? Why you are not a Negro? Why you are not a Negro?
Because your skin like Negro.
How about you?
Black. No, I'm not a Negro. I'm a Filipina.
Oh, you are a Filipina. Guapa.
Guapito. Guapito.
Oh, guapito. Oh, okay. You take care, po. Thank you. I don't know that. No. I don't know that. Bye. Bye.
Give me 120.
No, I don't have money. Oh, what's up?
Nigeria, yan.
Me?
Yes?
Are you Nagolia?
No, I'm Filipino.
Oh. Oh, you say Nagolia or Nigerian?
Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria.